So what will make you and me happy? No taxes or low taxes.
Low, I'll go with that. I don't think no is such a wise idea. But you know, let me tell you, I know we're cribbing about the fact that here we are on a Saturday at work, the markets as well are open. But you know, it's really a myth. The importance and the significance of budget on a market day has been falling over the years. And you know, here are the stats. I'm not saying that out of the hat. Just look at the kind of figures and data, and that's really going to tell you how the significance has been falling over the years. If I just look at the average return on the Nifty on budget day, it's absolutely flat, 0.01%. If you look at the return on the markets, the previous 10 days, that's as meager as 2/10. Or for that matter, average return on the Nifty over the last or 10 days after the budget, that's also just a minuscule 0.4%. Now, let me tell you, Nikunj, you know, everyone always wonders what are the budget-sensitive stocks. Surprisingly, I don't have a reason for it, but IndusInd Bank, guys, that's been one of the stocks which have moved most over the last 3 budgets. A massive 4% move is what you've seen on IndusInd Bank. Now, there's no rationale really behind that. ITC being the other one, which has seen a 1% move. Now, ITC typically is sensitive to any taxation on cigarettes. We've often wondered whether or not the finance minister is going to slap the sin tax. And if it doesn't come, which it has until now, that's what I guess is, you know, makes people holding ITC or trading ITC happy, which is why that move on ITC. Sun Pharma, sensitive to MAT. As soon as MAT was slapped, you've seen the returns on Sun Pharma, lost about 2.6%. And I also want to mark the volatility that the market has seen. While the average return may not be much, but the market sure has been volatile. The high to the low of the day has seen wild swings. So if I just look at the median, that stands at 2.25%. The max move that the market has seen on a budget day has been a solid 4%. So yes, volatile for sure. Maybe that's going to be today. I hope not, though. The next day move on the Nifty, it's been, you know, very, very static, about 0.7%. Next day is only going to be Monday for us. The minimum move has been -2.5%. Now, what will please the markets? We all know that it's a pro-growth budget that the markets would like. Even if you want to miss on the FISC, make that for instilling growth. More importantly, I guess, Nikunj, it's the math. How is it that you are actually arriving to the disinvestment target? How exactly do you plan on spending? How exactly are you working the math, the credit and the debit, and are they matching up on the total tally? I guess that is what the markets would be looking out for.
You know, Ayesha, I think even though markets secretly want that the fiscal deficit should be compromised, frankly, they don't want it to be busted.
Yeah, absolutely.
Which is that they want to be, the messaging from the market is that you should not do a macro compromise or a discipline compromise, because once that gets in, that's an easy way to stimulate the economy, keep on giving the caffeine shots. So whereas markets know and they want this year's fiscal number to be busted, that's okay, acceptable. Next year, I think they want to remain conservative. And remember, today as we walked into trade this morning, world is shaky,
yeah,
and it's a Saturday. So what's happened to historical budgets may actually not happen today.